Fed Chair Jay Powell telling Congress the U.S. economy has now made improvements since the worst of the pandemic-related shutdowns in spring. But he did say that more aid is probably necessary. Powell will face additional questions from lawmakers today and tomorrow. And Elon Mui joins us with more on that. Elon.
Well, Andrew, lawmakers are going to zero in today on the Fed's emergency lending facilities. Powell will be testifying before the House subcommittee on the coronavirus. We got the first look at a new report it's releasing today criticizing the Fed's corporate bond purchases. It finds that the roughly 500 companies in the secondary market corporate credit facility have laid off more than 1 million workers since March. 383 companies have paid dividends to shareholders during the pandemic, and 227 have been accused of illegal conduct since 2017. The committee concludes that the primary beneficiaries of this program have been corporate executives and investors, not workers. Now, Powell defended the Fed against similar accusations during his testimony yesterday, and he said the central bank has been a critical backstop to the economy.
Our actions taken together have unlocked more than $1 trillion of funding, which in turn has helped keep organizations from shuttering, putting them in a better position to keep workers on and to hire them back as the economy continues to recover.
Now, while this program has been successful in smoothing the functioning of markets, clearly it is becoming politically problematic, Andrew. And I would note that our parent company, Comcast, is a participant in the program. Back over to you.
Elon, thanks for that. How did he answer the question, though, about the issue of dividends that are being paid out at the same time that companies are laying off employees? Because that becomes the sort of political linchpin of this debate.
Well, that's what we're going to hear today. I expect lawmakers to grill him on each of these data points when he appears before the committee. You know, sort of broadly speaking, what both Mnuchin and Powell have said is that this is the design of the program. This was something that was negotiated with Congress when the programs were set up, you know, under the CARES Act back in March. Democrats say, though, that this is something they asked for but didn't get. And now they're going to sort of pummel both Mnuchin and Powell today and both of them again tomorrow with this point, because they feel that this is one of the issues that has become so central to the recovery. You know, are businesses and corporations recovering and doing better? Are workers getting left behind?